Hello there. I am Ameyaw-Gyarko. I'm a senior analyst within the BDO Financial Services Technology team, and I'm here to discuss briefly Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. RPA is a process of using a software to mimic a human's actions to make a manual task now automated. RPA is also known as software robotics. Some of the softwares used in RPA can include UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere, to name just a few. There are different types of RPA. For example, you can have an RPA bot that's unattended. This will be a bot that just runs on its own with no human interaction or intervention. You can have a bot that's attended, which is a bot that needs the human to start it or to debug it throughout the process. This is a bot that is attended. And the key point of RPA, and I think where RPA really shines, is when you have a cognitive RPA or a cognitive automation. This is an RPA bot with cognitive technologies like AI, machine learning, or speech recognition, for example. An example of cognitive RPA is an RPA chatbot with machine learning and AI built into it. For example, if you have an insurance company that uses a chatbot to do all of its claims processing, a client may come to this chatbot with a very specific claim that the bot can't do. What the bot will now do, it will hand that claim to a human to do manually. Then it will mimic that human's action in the future. So using AI and machine learning, based on what the human did in the past, it will now know what to do in the future. So if a client comes with that same query or a similar query, it will now know what to do, even though in the past it was unaware. So over time, it gets smarter and can process more claims. However, it's key to note that the bot may have limits in terms of what it can process. Some claims may just need that human interaction that the bot can't do. It's key to note that RPA has many benefits as well. For example, it can handle large volumes of transactions without any issues. It can do the same task as a human much faster with less errors. Also, the bot doesn't sleep or rest or get sick. So, in my claims example, where in the past you may have to phone a call center and get your claim processed from 9 to 5, you can now get your claim processed anytime, anywhere. However, with RPA comes risk, and I will now hand over to Lee, who's my colleague, to discuss the risk of RPA. Thank you.
Thank you, Yao. My name is Lee Govender, and I'm a junior analyst in the BDO Financial Services Technology Division. Like all innovative technology initiatives, robotic process automation comes with disruption and risks. BDO has identified some key technology risks to consider when implementing RPA solutions into your organization. Operational risks. The convenience of RPA is its ability to process large volumes of transactions within a small time frame. However, without an effective RPA operating model which defines the bot's functions and performance capabilities, processing errors are magnified due to the concentration of operational risks. Innovation. Innovation programs may be stifled if an organization has unrealistic expectations of automation and over-relies on its RPA solutions. This includes the discontinuation of organizations' review of their IT capabilities, as well as the re-engineering of the RPA solution's functionality. This will significantly jeopardize the organization's security and compliance. Denial of service risks. The rapid sequence of process execution may result in the exhaustion of all system resources utilized by the RPA solution, which can lead to system downtime. The RPA solution might not function as intended, which can lead to costly maintenance. Intelligent process automation risk. Further risks emerge when RPA is incorporated with cognitive technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. An example: since the algorithms are written by people, Algorithm bias can occur as there is now a transfer of human decision-making boundaries to the software and machines. BDO embraces the change that emerging technologies have within financial services. We aim to help our clients manage the associated risks that RPA brings to an organization.